Trigger bonus on 88 fortune. Lucky gum. Here we go. Let's go. Low rolling. 88 cents. Then 3 games. So it dropped all the small characters. Oh, come on. But you have to line it up. Oh,
Wow.
wasted. Coin. Oh, finally it lined up. Line up at least. Ship. Okay, we have the pot. Oh,
Yes,
retrigger. Nice. We needed that. Okay. Line up. Ooh, almost retriggered. Ooh, $20 for the pot. All the way. 5 of a kind. Alright.
14 free games.
Yeah, that's it. Retrigger.
Come on, gold round. Yeah. Diba?
20. Now, because they have it keeps adding up. Right. Line up. Ooh. Can we get a ship for once? Oh, alright. $15. No, that's the pot.
No, I want the golden gum.
Oh, that's retrigger. That's retrigger if you get the golden gum. Right. How about, what is that? A bird?
Dove.
Dove? Let's get a dove. 5 of a kind. One time. Fortunes. Lucky gong. Look at that coin shower. Come on. Whoa, wasted. Come on. Line it up. Make it count. Okay, we'll take the pot. $10. It's always a pot, but you know, better than nothing. Ships would be nice. Or the turtle.
Come on.
Oh, again. Look at the gong. Okay, that's fine. Another $20.
We'll take it.
I'll take it. And a retrigger. One more trigger. It'd be nice to see a turtle across and a ship across, but it keeps giving the pot, but we'll take that. We're not choosy. Ship. Ooh, pot again.
Yeah.
$5. We'll take that. Ooh, another pot. 5. Ingots.
Ship.
Oh, come on. Make it count. Oh. Ship. Oh, wow. We need one more at the end. It will be, but that's alright. We'll take whatever. Ooh, we got cut off again. Last spin. Ooh,
wow. Look at the
110, guys. That's more than 100x of our bet. New ticket, $123.96. How about a backup spin? We started with $40. Just one bug cap spin. Okay, there you go. Low rolling on this.